Just tour you around here in Corralejo. €4 each. Nice experience, guys, with that train. Just to tour you around. Okay, are you alright now? Oriental Restaurant. And that's it. See you guys. Bye-bye. Or I will show it to you the side of the trip, yeah? Okay. Nice there, no? Oh, lots of next time. Gelato. This is the one that you said, gelato. We find already.
It's like sour ice cream. I don't like it much.
I like the caramel. This is the one, you're looking for ice cream now. You seen the ice cream there? The ice cream, the gelato.
No, I
That's the one.
don't like
No, that's what she said. Look for gelato. What did she say? And then turn to the here. I think that's the it dal. That's it. For the McCarthy, yeah? Live music. Irish pub.
By the H10, whatever you call it.
I don't know where it's our dreams. I cannot find the H10 dreams. That's S10 only. I don't know if that's a dreams. This is the strip, guys. Share it to you all. The strip here in Corralejo. Yeah.
Can you see, madam?
Don't forget that's the and we're going back for dinner in our hotel 6 o'clock. We have 30 minutes to walk, relax and have something, and then that's it. Yeah. It's nice tour, yeah, for €4. There's a second down here.
There's that
And
talk
there's
of the town just down there.
That's the one you go. Talk to the town. Napoli. If you like pizza, it's there. The Napoli. Yeah. We cross over. Okay, and then that's it. Very nice.
Albany glorious, stop it now.
You haven't been to that supermarket one?
No.
What's on it? Is this massage or prayer? Maybe massage or prayer. I can see the casino na daw. Ah, this is the one that I've been, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, next time. Yeah, this is the one. Cheaper though. Cheap there here. It's all cheap here, you know, for our money.
Do it, Dad.
Did you enjoy our trip? Yeah. Nice though.
It's beautiful,
Yeah. Yeah, it's good though. Just a little help. This is the strip, guys, straight edge to edge. Like Las Vegas, you know. But Las Vegas is a long queue. It's a long strip. But similar. Deportive shoes. Did you get your shoes there, Dad? Oh, here. No, I think that. Oh, no.
No, the opposite. Oh, did you buy that Las Palmares? Right?
Yeah. I think here. Hmm?
There.
Ah,
Look
there
at the
inside.
window on the side, there's
Not
that
here,
street
yeah.
you're looking for.
Yeah. Yeah, down there in the sea. Here we are, here we are. Almeras, that's what we are here. And then at the back of that, that's our hotel. Very convenient. Lots of signature you here if you want. Yeah. Lots of sea, no? We haven't been there. Have you been there? Yeah. Lots of selling here aloe vera, no?
Yeah. I'm just wondering, well, just as a matter of interest.
How much lang?
The price on
Yeah, we'll ask next tomorrow. So we can have for souvenir here. And this finish of the end of the strip where our hotel at the back. It's great location. It's great location, guys. I share it to you until the end. We are here. Where do you want that? Okay. say that's a restaurant also then.
So,
They're preparing in the evening. I think evening is a busy day, darling, yeah?
hey?
It's a busy day.
No.
Night. And turn to the left, that's our hotel. The Bahia de Lobos. This is it, we are guys. Nice for relaxing. Straight direct. That's our hotel. Dal? You want to stand there? I will take you picture. Okay. Okay, smile, darling. Just a minute. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my my model.
Not cheap.
Okay, we need to come back here. Good evening. Hello. Good evening. This is the Lobos, La Branda, Bahia de Lobos. It's a huge beach resort. It's a resort ba, no? Hotel resort, yeah. And let's check too. And then open. Thank you. Oops, sala. Mind the step down. I jump, yeah. And this is, here we are now. Everybody's ready for dinner. For the party later, some. It's 6:05 in the evening. Everybody's resting, ready for tonight activities. That's our hotel there, our room. Yeah, nice, the sun. La Branda Hotel and Resort. La Branda. After you, my darling. Yeah. And this is my partner. He needs to open our door. I'm thirsty for all walk and activities for the day. And this is our room again. Oh, it's clean and nice. Clean and nice again. It's tidy. They make tidy again. Again and again. Huh?
Some of it, look.
Oh, that's very good. It's really good.
Yeah.
May I check? They forgot to switch off the light. Wow. Clean and tidy again. Check. That's good though. That's it. Whew. Time to switch on the kettle. And they did not give the... Okay. Thank you guys and bye-bye. Smile, darling. Smile. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.